everyone, Dave here at Showdown. We got a little 64 Chrysler New Yorker in this afternoon. A nice original car, one repaint over 20 years ago. It's got 17,000 actual miles. Beautiful interior. Wheels and tires have been updated. It's a 14-inch torque thrust style wheel on it now. But overall, nice, very solid car. 17,000 miles, one repaint. Original interior, original chrome and trim. Car runs and drives fantastic. All the gauges, all the lights. Does have power steering and power brakes. Does have a dealer add-on air conditioning unit. The air conditioning is going to need a charge. One of the lines are leaking, but easy fix. But overall, she's mechanically sound. 70 miles an hour, you'll fall asleep driving it. Car's all there. We're going to price it under 10 grand to sell it. Start your bidding now. David Showdown, 586-791-0778 is our office. ShowdownAuto.com. Take care. Thanks, guys.